Our school life.
Hey Monica, how are your studies going on?
Hello Manoj, it's going pretty well. But I am facing little difficulties in solving some maths problems.
Oh really? May I know which problems they are? Maybe I could help you with this.
Sure Manoj. It is related to the geometry topic.
Well, fortunately, I really like that topic. I think we can study together with the whole concept mentioned as per syllabus. You may come to my house after school to study. I can even give you some tips to remember the formulas based on this topic.
That's a great idea Manoj. We can study together to clear each other doubts. Also, our parents will not be having any issues with this. So, let's start it from tomorrow.
Okay Monica.
Meeting after a long time.
Hello Monica, how are you? It's been a long time we have met.
Oh hi Manoj, I am doing good, what about you?
I am fine too, so where are you working right now?
I am working in a school.
Oh, really? That's a great. What is your post there?
I am working as a teacher.
That's really nice to hear.
Thanks Manoj. So what are you up to nowadays?
I am a YouTuber. I prepare students for interviews, personality development, body language and communication skills. I would like to ask you also to follow my channel PD classes.
Sure Manoj. I will certainly follow it. You are doing a great job by letting people know about different types of interviews.
Thanks Monica.
Hey, why don't you join me and my family for tomorrow's lunch? They will also be happy to see you.
Actually, that's a great idea. I would love to meet them.
So it's decided. You will come to our place tomorrow at 1 p.m. We'll see you then.
Okay Monica. See you tomorrow then. Hi Monica. I want to say something to you on this special occasion of your birthday.
Really?
I cross my heart and promise to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find a love as true as mine. Today is the perfect day to tell you that you're a wonderful friend. Happy birthday! I wish you my loving best on this day and throughout the year. You are my life.
How sweet, I love you. On this special day, I want you to know how much you mean to me. I want you to know how much this day means to me. I want you to know how much I thank God to make you come into this world. I want you to know how much I love you and I would do anything to make your day more special for you.
Late night conversation.
Hey Monica. Sometimes, I might be far from everyone else, possibly drowsy yet that can't confine me from sending you beautiful messages, darling. I will continue to do this until the night we are along with one another. I can hardly wait for an opportunity to show up when I make them rest close by, and your delightful face will be the principal thing I find toward the beginning of the day. I absolutely never need to be without you, young lady. Good night, sleep tight. I want to say something to you.
What?
On Valentine's Day, I want to let you know how much you mean to me. You're like a precious, priceless jewel. I'm so thankful I found you. And I do not mean it just for one day, but for the whole of my life. I promise you, I'll never stop trying. I'll never stop watching as you leave. I'll never stop loving you. I'll never stop losing my breath when I see you looking back at me. I'll never stop holding your hand in private and public. I'll never stop choosing you, Monica. I'll never get used to you. You are my world. A day when we met, I still remember how beautiful you looked and your eyes staring at me continuously made me more eager to know you. I don't know how I started talking to you, how I started liking you, how I started loving you. But one thing I know for sure, I will not be leaving you for the rest of my life. Every single minute I thank God that He made me met you. Yet I still pray to Him that you always stay mine and we stay together till the end of this universe.